Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. To connect your Monopoly Go game with Facebook, first of all, open up the Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're inside the game. Now, click on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner and click on the Facebook Connect button at the very bottom. You will be able to see a Facebook logo with the Connect option. Simply tap on it and click on the Continue button to sign in to Facebook. You will now end up in the facebook.com website. Simply click on the Login with the Facebook app button or simply enter the login credentials for your Facebook account and click on the Continue button. If you're already logged in, you can simply tap on Continue and you will be connected to your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So that is how you can easily connect to Facebook with Monopoly Go in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.